Did you know? 50 million bearings fail every year. That's millions of dollars lost in downtime and repairs. But why do they fail, and how can you prevent it? Let's break it down. 36% fail due to lubrication issues, 34% due to fatigue, 16% due to installation mistakes, and 14% due to contamination. Lubrication problems are the biggest culprit. Using the wrong lubricant, applying too much or too little, or ignoring relubrication intervals can lead to premature failure. Solution: use the right type of lubricant, apply it in the correct quantity, and follow a proper maintenance schedule. Next, 34% of bearings fail due to fatigue. This happens when they're overloaded, misaligned, or dealing with excessive vibrations. Solution: ensure proper alignment, reduce excessive loads, and conduct regular condition monitoring to detect early signs of fatigue. 16% of failures happen due to improper installation. Incorrect mounting, using the wrong fit, or handling bearings roughly can cause internal damage before they even start running. Solution: train your team in proper installation techniques and always use the right tools. 14% of failures are caused by contamination. Dirt, water, and poor sealing can corrode and damage the bearing surface, leading to breakdowns. Solution: use high-quality seals, keep your work environment clean, and filter lubricants to prevent contamination. Every bearing failure is an opportunity to improve. Conduct root cause failure analysis, RCFA, train your team, and optimize maintenance strategies to reduce downtime and increase machine life. Preventing failures means saving costs, increasing reliability, and boosting efficiency. Take action now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit www.minimixsystems.com for more expert insights on lubrication and reliability.